ना की किधर मुंह पे
तूने नहीं पहनी
अरे मैं फोटो ले लूं दीपू
वाले को बोलना जरा अरे उनको भाई
निकलने वाला है
साइड में हो जाना बाकी सबको सेट कर दो ना साइड हटा देना बाकी सबको
सब लगा है
मास्क सबको है अरे सबने लगाया है
I feel like I'm bringing her down for my wedding day.
वाह वाह
टुगेदर पीछे
सनी मैम
Protecting your chin, it's perfect.
सनी मैम यो सनी
Look here.
मैम सनी मैम यो सनी मैम यो
लुक बेटर या
फोटो व्यू
मैम वेट लुक योर फर्स्ट
मैम यो सनी मैम सर
Thank you.
Feels great, first award show after so long, and excited to be here, excited to get out of the house and, see beautiful people all dressed up.
COVID situation actually, the award going on, does it really make a difference actually?
हाँ, अभी difference हो रहा क्योंकि आप mask नहीं पहन रहे हो, sir. I understand who you are. I think that's the hardest thing is, everybody should wear a mask. And अगर आप mask पहनोगे, then, everybody's risk also goes down, people who are around you. So it's just a matter of being safe and understanding your surroundings. I call my team and myself the mask police. सबको बोलते हैं mask पहनो. But, it's our households and our families that we have to keep safe.
Do you feel after this pandemic, actually one more accessory has come up, like mask also, you had a matching mask.
Yep, my matching mask.
What did you say about it?
Yes, of course, having a matching mask with your gown is the best, and Swapnil made a beautiful gown, but he also made a beautiful mask.
Professionally, we're talking about how was maybe during the pandemic still, professionally, working-wise, were you working, what all things you did during this?
Right, so I only just came back. It's been a few weeks now, and we left for California in Los Angeles for, I think it was 7 महीने के लिए. So बहुत लंबा सफ़र हो गया था वहाँ, and now it's time to be home, time to come back to work, time to come back to where I want to be, and so does my family.
My last question, any New Year's plan actually?
New Year's? I'm going to be in Calcutta for a New Year's, very small New Year's event.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, it feels wonderful. In fact, to be very honest, my contribution to theatre and performing arts will begin now with the new platform, the new OTT platform that we're launching, which is dedicated to theatre and performing arts. So I'm glad that, Midday Showbiz Icon decided to encourage me with this particular award. I guess the journey has just begun for me. Yeah. Obviously, yeah. I mean, I started with theatre, and to receive an award for that, obviously, it's a huge, huge honor. Somewhere, I think the whole fact that theatre getting recognized is also a big thing for me, and at the same time, all performing artists. So, thank you once again. See you guys.
What could you tell us, like, what
And on everything, myself, Daniel, who's right here, our entire team, and you know, it's amazing to be able to get recognition for something that we've literally put our heart and soul in. I'm wearing our new nail polish brand, which is why they're all different colors. But really, really excited about this.
Wish you all the best, and in the coming years you get more and more awards.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Please keep your masks on. Stay safe.
Thank you, madam. आप मेरे को मिलो ना, नहीं मिलो मेरे को 5
चलो चलो साढ़े यस मैम लोग क्या
I'm left.
I'm coming center
I'm यहाँ पे.
Quite. I think this is my first live event after, you know, COVID happened to all of us. So yeah, it feels like deja vu. It feels like very special. It feels like we are getting back to normal. So it's special for so many reasons. And I think almost after a year we are coming together again and celebrating showbiz. A lot of people are going to, you know, be awarded who fairly deserve it. And it's a very special moment for all of us to restart life as we had known it.
What do you want to say about Midday? What do you have to say about Midday? Who has organized?
I think Midday is a publication that has been with us for so long. It's like almost we've grown together with it. And there is a sort of authenticity, there is a sort of reliability that I associate Midday with, you know, and especially the afternoon features. So yeah, I think that's the USP, and I really respect Midday as a publication, and I think all of us do. So I'm glad that they put together this event, and thankful to them because this is one way of celebrating our work. So very thankful to that.
Even you're getting award tonight, so उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
I mean, again, thanks to Midday and all the jury members and whosoever have, you know, thought that I deserve it. I'm very deeply touched and humbled. And also, thanks to the audience who've kind of supported me this whole journey, who've loved me and appreciated my work. And they are the ones who motivate me to do better and reach higher heights.
Lastly, what sort of project in your pipeline? Like, we know a lot of projects is happening. What sort of project in the pipeline?
So Criminal Justice Season 2 is getting released on the 24th of December. I hope जैसे हमने आपको Season 1 में you know, entertain किया था, हम आगे भी करें Season 2 में, and I hope the audiences appreciate it and give it as much love. Then there is a movie that I did with Devendra Sharma as a lead, मेरे देश की धरती. That might come early next year. Ashram 2 is in the making, Asur 2 is in the making. There's another show that I've just shot for. I can't talk much about it because it's not been really, you know, publicized yet. And there's another show that will start again somewhere March. So let's see. Thank you. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.